Good evening all, welcome back to our channel Ach'z. So today in this section we are going to discuss about the IELTS test date for December 2022. I'm getting messages related to that via this WhatsApp and also in comment section regarding the best test date. In this section we are going to discuss about the complete overview regarding December month IELTS test papers, and you will be clear about the best date according to your capability to book for both academic and general module. So without further delay, we will start with our video. So regarding the test dates, 4 test dates are available as per the current update, and the first test date will be on 3rd December. Okay, it's with academic and general module, and the day will be Saturday. And moving on to the second test date, December 8th, it's an academic only test date, and the day is Thursday. The third test date will be on December 10th, again academic only test date, that will be on Saturday. And the last test date is December 17th, it's an academic and general module test date. The day will be Saturday. So as usual, in the month of December, they will not conduct any test paper during that Christmas holidays and also related to New Year. So we can expect the test date in the month of January only. So there will be 4 test date, 3rd, 8th, 10th and 17th. What about the best test day? So we will discuss about what type of questions you can expect during these test dates and what will be the level. So first of all, about 3rd December, it's an academic and general module test dates, and overall the test will be in moderate level, especially regarding listening module you can expect in easy to moderate level. The question category will be fill up type of question. They can ask in summary completion or else in form completion mode, and along with that you can expect short MCQs, large MCQs and also matching type of question. Overall, this section will be in easy to moderate level. Take care about part 3 and 4. Now regarding the reading module, we are expecting little bit tricky. That means one passage will be super easy and the remaining 2 will be in moderate level. The question categories like fill-ups, matching type of question that they can ask in any form, which paragraph contain this information, or else they will give options like the list of people in a box and we need to cross it. These type of questions we can expect in second passage, more matching type of questions. Then along with that, true false not given category, at least 2 set of true false not given you can expect either in first passage and also in last passage. Then take care about MCQ type of questions and all. So overall we are expecting little bit tricky reading passage in December 3rd. Okay, I am mentioning about academic module, not about general. Okay. And regarding the general module, we are expecting in easy to moderate level. And you can find more fill-up type of question. They can ask in the form of diagram completion, table completion or else short note completion. And along with that, take care about true false not given type of question and one set of MCQs. That means they can ask for 4 to 5 MCQs. Okay, most probably in last section. That means that long passage now, there you can expect MCQs and matching type of questions. Then regarding this writing module, in case of academic, in task 1, take care about bar chart, table chart and also pie charts more. And regarding task 2, opinion type essay, outweigh type of question and also discussion with opinion category. That means discuss both views and state your opinion. So these 3 categories you need to concentrate more. Now regarding the general module, you can expect formal later. So try to avoid the use of short forms, contractions, phrasal verb and use proper cohesive devices to connect your sentences also. I mean the formal connectors. Now regarding the general module task 2, take care about opinion type essay more and along with that advantage and disadvantage. That means discussion only type. So these 2 categories you need to check out more. Now we will move on with the second test date, December 8th. As I mentioned, it's an academic only test date. And This will be my second option for academic students. The test will be in easy to moderate level. It will not be so tricky or moderate, okay? It will be in easy to moderate level, especially listening and reading. You can expect in the range of easy to moderate. It's completely based on your capability and also your practice level. If you are practicing well, in the sense, definitely this test date will be best, okay? Even though I said it as a second option, it's completely based on your practice level. The listening and also the reading section will not be so moderate or tricky. Now, regarding the question categories, as I mentioned previous, in listening module, you can concentrate on MCQ based question, fill up type of question, and along with that, selection of letters. Selection of letters in the sense, for one particular question, they will give 5 options and you need to cross out any 2 from that according to their instruction. So the audio will not be so fast and all. You can expect in normal pace also. Then regarding the reading module, you can expect the question categories like matching type of questions more, like in the form of list of heading or else which paragraph contain this information. Along with that, fill up based question, that will be like a short note or short summary completion. Along with that, take care about MCQ type of question too. So these all are the question categories you can expect. The one of the passage will be little bit tricky. Then other than that, 2 passage will be super easy. Okay, so try to check out with all 3 passages. Whenever you are receiving one reading booklet, try to go through the heading of all 3 passages and select. We can able to predict about the mode of difficulty, like the first passage will be the super easy, second will be moderate, the last will be difficult. There is nothing like that, okay, as per the current exam mode. Okay, so try to compare all 3 passages and take out the most easiest one, because while reading the heading and also the subheading, we will get some idea now whether it is related to technology or science, whether it is an autobiography. So always compare all 3 passages and select accordingly. Okay, so the difficult passage should be done at last. Then moving on to the writing module, in case of task 1, concentrate on bar chart, table and also process diagram. All the types of task 1 masterclasses are available in our playlist, so try to go through that if you find difficulty in task 1. Now regarding task 2, take care about discussion with opinion category, then 2-part type of question. That means the question including 2 different parts, you need to answer for both the part of the question, and also opinion type question. These 3 categories you need to give more attention towards. And we will move on to our third test date, that will be December 10th. Again, it's an academic only test date, and I will suggest this particular test date for academic students. Okay, so if you find difficulty in listening and reading, try to move on with 10th December. Okay, this will be the best test date. So try to ask for the suggestion from your mentor also. If you are under any particular trainer, in the sense, try to seek out for their opinion, because they only know about your level and all. So based on your capability, your trainer will suggest you the best test date. Okay, so we are preferring this based on an average student. Okay, while considering an average student only, we will recommend this particular test date. Okay, so the listening and reading section will be easy in 10th December. And as usual in listening module, you can expect more fill-up type of question, then short and long MCQs and matching type of question. Then regarding the reading module, fill-up type of questions will be more. That means each passage you can expect one set of fill-up type of question. That may be in the form of short note completion or summary completion or any sentence completion. Okay, or else in last passage and all, they can give fill up along with options also. Whenever they are giving options for fill up type of question, take care about the synonyms. Okay, regarding the writing module, in case of task 1, concentrate on bar chart, line chart, table and also give attention towards map. Okay, if they are asking map, they will always give for diachronic map. That means same place at a different time. So you need to compare the data properly. Then regarding the task 2, you are expecting opinion type essay more than 60% chance to get opinion type essay in the form of do you agree or disagree, that we can call it as one-sided opinion essay, or else they can ask you in the form of to what extent or positive, negative, or else take care about discussion with opinion and problem solution essay. Okay. Now regarding the last test date, December 17th, and it's with academic and general module, and this will be the best test date for general module candidates. Okay, This will be the best test date and you will get enough time to prepare yourself, more than 1 month. Okay, so just move on with December 17th. Now regarding the each and every module, first of all about the listening module, it will be in easy to moderate level. Here in part 2, you can expect a map type of question, that means map completion. Okay, they will give option and you need to cross it. Along with that MCQs. Anyway, part 1 and part 4 will be fill up type of question. So in between, you can expect map completion, MCQs and also matching type of questions. Okay, anyway, it will be in easy to moderate level. Now regarding the reading module of academic students, you can expect in moderate level, okay, moderate or moderate plus. Okay, and the question categories will be concentrate on matching type of questions, fill up type of questions, true false not given type of question, then direct questions, that means they will ask for WH questions directly and you need to cross it, same like the fill up type of question, and selection of letter category also. And regarding the level of the passage, one passage will be a little bit tricky, we can say, or moderate plus. The remaining two will be in easy to moderate level. Now regarding the general module reading, you can expect fill-up based questions more. Especially in section 2, it will be completely fill-up type of question. They can ask in table completion or else short note completion. Two set of fill-up type of question will be there in second section. First section will be like true false not given and fill up type of question, and the last passage you can expect matching type of question also along with fill up type of question. Anyway, reading module will be super easy for general module candidates during December 17th. Now regarding the writing module, first we'll see about the academic section. In task 1, you can concentrate towards pie charts. Pie charts always they will ask in combination format only. 2, 3 or 4 pies together they can ask. So concentrate on pie chart, table chart, bar chart and also the combination charts. That means line and bar or bar and pie together, like that mixed charts also you can expect. Regarding the task 2 of academic module, concentrate on opinion type essay, discussion with opinion type essay and also outweigh category. Advantage, outweigh, disadvantage or vice versa they can ask for. Okay, now regarding the general module, concentrate on informal letter in task 1 and also in task 2, discussion with opinion or else problem solution essay. Okay, so these are the categories of question and the level I just want to suggest you. I just given an outline regarding the entire month because accordingly you can book for your test. Okay, so nowadays the slots are filling up very fastly, so you need to book for your test before 2 to 3 weeks. That's why I am preparing this video to make you clear regarding the test dates. Anyway, we will move on in detail about each and every test date regarding the topics, regarding the exact questions, the level, everything in detail. So try to stay tuned for that. We will do as soon as possible. And along with that, I will release the task 2 questions, that means essay questions for your practice purpose as soon as possible. Whenever we are releasing the task 2 question, it is not a prediction work, it is for your practice purpose. I just want to make you clear regarding different type of questions. Most probably you will get the questions from there only, or else you can expect the same topic. So try to go through that also. And if you want assistance in any particular module, try to go through our playlist. We just categorized into listening, reading, writing, speaking, all the types. So you can just go through the master classes and the tips and tricks. If you find difficulty in writing also, try to go through our playlist. There are so many videos available to make you clear regarding all the types of essays, all the types of task 1. Okay, try to move on with that. And if you are interested to join for our online classes, the admissions are open for next week. So try to book your seats as soon as possible. I will provide the WhatsApp number here. So you can just contact via this particular number to get more information regarding our classes. You will get individual attention also. If you need assistance in all the module means, we have crash sections and also regular batches. According to your preference, you can select the duration and we will cover all the modules like speaking, writing, reading and also listening module. And we have individual classes for speaking section. If you find difficulty or if you want any speaking partner in this sense, you can just contact for that. We have speaking only course and also writing only course. and along with that we have writing correction service also. So for further information you can contact via the number provided here. So thank you so much for your attention. Try to book your seats as soon as possible, and all the very best for your test date. God bless you all.